Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's bring the eyelid down towards the bottom. So we're going to start from the bottom left, curve this up and then in, line this up, bend this out, and then down. Now I want to tuck the pupils in underneath. So we're going to start in the middle, curve this down and up, and they'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to leave a small gap. We're going to go up, bend this down. Let's go back to the side. Round at the bottom of the nose, and pull that up. So we're drawing an oval. Let's go to the bottom and add a curve. Let's draw the nostrils along the edge with a small half circle, and we'll fill the nostrils in black. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left side, curve this down, bend this across. Now I'm going to pull this up a little bit higher on the right side, and then we'll add a bracket. Going across the corners of the mouth. Let's go back to the middle, open up the mouth, coming down, and then bend that out. Now we're going to go back to the side of the nose. We're going to add a trim, going around the corner of the mouth, coming down underneath, then this up towards the right, and then back in towards the nose. From the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out, curve the bottom of the head. We're going to come down, bend this in, and then back up towards the right. Now let's close out the top of the head, starting back on the left, going up above the eye, coming in and then down towards the center point. Let's go up towards the right, come around, and then down. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. Starting from the outside, bend this up and then in. Line it up on the right. From the inside, draw a straight line going up. Taper the eyebrows coming out towards a point. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from the bottom of the eyes, we're going to add a trim, going out and then down towards the side of the cheeks. Let's go up to the top of the eye, then out and then down. Now from that center point, let's move up. Let's add a point. We're going to add some hair. We're going to go up and out toward the left and right side. Now add a point, bringing that back down. Let's add another point, going up and then out toward the side. And add a point. Now on the left side, we go all the way around the side of the head and then come down. Let's add another point, going up. Now I want to bend this down and then pull that in towards the middle, towards a point. From that center point, we're going to draw the collar, angle this down and out toward the left and right side. Now we're going to go back to the side of the head. We'll draw the outside of the collar, going around, and then just pull that in. From the inside of the collar, draw two straight angled lines coming down the tie, flatten off the bottom. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to give a slight angle coming down and out towards the bottom of the tie. We'll angle this down and in toward the center point. Let's add those stripes inside the tie. Along the knot, we draw two angled lines going up towards the right. Now we move down, coming down and out towards the right. We'll continue to add these lines, coming all the way down towards the bottom of the tie. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the outside of the collar on the left. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the elbow. Let's round up the elbow and just pull that up. Now from here we draw three claws coming across holding a cup. So from here, bend this out and then down, go up. Just going to round out the claw and then pull that in. Let's add two more claws on top. Coming down, up, round out the end. And I'll do that one more time. From the top of that claw, bend the arm going out and then down. And then from the top of the hand, curve this up and then in. Let's add the sleeve from the top of the forearm, bend this out and then up. Now from the tip of the claw, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming across the edge of the mug. And then from the top, we're going to draw an oval coming in and back out. From the right side, draw another straight line coming down, and then round out the bottom. Let's draw the cup handle going out in behind the claw. I'm just going to draw the inside. Now we're going to take this curve along the side of the body, underneath the arm, we're going to continue around and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's line this up all the way over on the right side, bend this out, and then in towards the same height. Now we're going to line up the top of the arm on the left over on the right side, bend the arm coming out and then down. Now step down, bend the arm, going up and then out. Let's add the thumb. Bend this in and then down, go up, round at the claw, and then close this off. Now let's go up to the top of the thumb, draw that index finger, bending this up and out, coming down towards the bottom. I'm just going to round up the bottom. Let's add 2 more claws pointing out. So from the base, going up and then down toward the tip. Bring this in, round up the inside, and add 1 more. Coming down, go up, and then round that out. Underneath that last finger, we're going to draw the forearm, coming all the way around. Just bring this down towards the elbow to right about there. Let's add some fur. Bring this up, add another one coming in, then up, and then close off the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Now we're also going to add the sleeve, bend this up, and then out. Now let's go back to the bottom of the feet. We're going to draw 3 large claws along the bottom. So we're going to start on the left side, coming across and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw the top of the claw. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's layer 2 more claws as we come in. So from this tip, step up, bend this down, go up and then in behind. And then we'll do that 1 more time. Coming in and then up. From the top of that inside claw, let's go up and then bend that down towards the heel. Now we're going to go back to the inside of the foot. We're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then out on either side. Step in, bend the legs, going up and then in underneath the tie. Now we're going to go back up and draw the belt, starting on the left side. Bend this down and in towards the tie. Continue on the right, going up. And then we're going to trace that same curve along the bottom. And then we're going to add a belt loop on either side with 2 lines. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's our draw Flash the Sloth from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.